What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? So hey, welcome back to another video. This morning, you know, I've been eyeballing that new Stratic, and I think I'm going to upgrade the White Lightning with a brand new Stratic. If you haven't seen it, it's a sexy little reel. Now, got a few gift cards and stuff for my birthday that recently passed, and
Hey, it's not your birthday.
oh, I am so sorry. It is not my birthday. It is not my birthday according to my little baby back
Not your
there.
birthday anymore.
So you're right, it's not my birthday, but I do have some things that I want to, some cards that I want to just use up,
So silly.
and then
You are so silly.
look where we're going here.
We're going to Bass Pro.
Where are we going?
The Bass Pro.
Bass Pro? Yes, we are going to Bass Pro. She's a smart little cookie. Woo, here it is. If y'all ain't ever been to the Bass Pro in Brandon, pretty nice little store. Well, I wouldn't say
Yes,
little,
he did.
but it's pretty.
Brandon did.
All right, guys, let's go see if we can pick up something nice. Let's go.
Mommy?
Yeah, we got in free. Sold them out within a couple of days. All gone. Yeah, definitely a nice drill.
So guys, I came out here for the new Stratic. It showed it was available online, but they don't have it in store. Look at my baby. Babies. What are y'all doing?
We're really the fish.
Are you reeling the fishies in? Yeah, buddy.
I
What
got
are you
a
doing?
big one.
You got a big one?
Really good.
You're doing good, Stella. Good job. Keep reeling. Is it stuck? Push it, push it. Woo! What do you got?
I wish you will.
Oh my goodness, you're so crazy.
And I get in this big one.
You're so crazy. I love
And
you.
we're going to get the hearts too and see the fishes.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh, stop. Okay. She wants to
Oh, you gonna do it on your own?
And I got
So they don't got the one I want, guys.
Mommy, I got a blue
I got the
fish
FL, I
now.
got the CI4 I have.
Mommy, I got
I'm not looking for any of the lower end models. Don't really want to spend that much on a reel. Yeah. Alright guys, so they don't have the reel that I want, but I want to pick something up while I'm here. So is it, so they don't have like the Saltiga?
I didn't see it over there. We didn't. I thought we had them at one time, but I don't see them back there. All I see is the back page, the Southwest back page.
Because here's a Saltiga, or that's a Salted. The smaller Salted looks different than the larger one. It's all black.
Animals in here if you want to
Let's test it out.
take it for a ride.
Alright. What's the overall impression with these reels? People liking them?
We sell them. We really sell the strength. You know, well, we've been out of the well, at least the CI4 we sell.
It's a smooth reel.
Yeah, I think it's got. Well, it's got 6 bearings on the roller.
I don't think it's Stratic worthy though. I can't believe you guys don't care like the Saltiga dogfight and stuff like that.
No, the problem is they gotta decide what they're gonna carry because we only got limited room for some of this stuff.
Yeah, I can appreciate that. What are y'all doing? You better be careful, you're gonna fall. All right.
Hi, Fishy. Say hi, Fishy.
I can't believe they don't have that reel.
They're broke down there.
You saw the fishies? Big fishies. That's a redfish. It's a largemouth. A catfish. Striper. There's a gar. Right there. Up on top of the world. Look at that gar right there. We're gonna have to go to the house and order this online because Hasbro don't have it. So I'm gonna go grab some lunch. Maybe get a little dessert for the girls. So to be continued. Just gonna order it. I'll show it to you briefly once it comes in the mail. Stay tuned. Yeah. All right, so there's been a change of plans, small change of plans. We're gonna go down to Gator Gems. We gave them a call and they do have the reel that I'm looking for, the new Shimano Stratic. So we're gonna go over here. I'm gonna purchase it from them. No, I don't have any gift cards for them, but that's all right. We'll string it up or have them line it up and I'll show you guys a little glimpse of it, and then we'll take a more in-depth look here in just a bit. So stay tuned. Should be a good time. So guys, this new reel is pretty spectacular. Shimano's always been one of my top tier fishing reels, probably one of my preferred. So let's see what this new girl is all about. Yeah, like I really need another reel, right? All right guys, we're inside of Gator Gems. We're looking at the Stratics. Look at Hannah. Business been good?
Yeah, it's surprising whether it's rain.
Yeah, I hear that. They've been selling well?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're sexy little reel.
Well, they didn't. We didn't get as many as we were still waiting on some.
Hey, do you guys sell these?
No. I got them.
I was gonna say.
You place an order, you know, big enough, they send you one.
After that $50,000 mark.
Yeah.
Well. Oh my goodness. Yeah, she looks pretty. What do you know about what the upgrades are to this particular reel compared to the?
I believe one bearing and a seal.
One bearing and a seal. Man, she's pretty.
Yeah, very smooth. They're definitely smoother than old ones.
That is smooth.
A lot.
Man. You like that one?
Yeah.
We're gonna get that one.
I want to reel it.
You want to reel it?
Yeah.
All right, hold it right like this. Go ahead. Oh,
Nice and easy. Nice and easy.
there you go. Is that smooth?
Yeah.
Do you think we should get that one?
Yeah.
All right, then sold.
So,
I just want to get some 10-pound 832 Suffolks if you got it, or 15.
Thank you, Daddy.
Oh, you're welcome, baby. Oh man, I guess she's adopting it already. Sounds like it. That's what I get to do.
I love you, Daddy.
Yeah, if you see my garage, you wouldn't say that. 700 rods and reels later. I don't think I really need it, but. Yeah, what's that Suffolk 832 there, that green?
here.
No, to the left right there. Yeah. That is 10. Right, dude. What is the blue you were just touching? Is that 10 too? The one right to the right of it?
The same thing as 10 too.
Okay, I'll take the blue. That looks good.
It's the same thing. It's their version of the blue camel.
The blue camo? Nice.
Now you want the whole thing?
Backing?
Put a little mono backing on it either way.
Okay, that's fine.
Or you use the I'll try 7 foot is,
I love the fish raw, Mommy.
I'll work for more. Are you a ballet princess?
I'm even
Sorry.
like my ballet.
Are you a ballet princess?
I'm taking ballet too.
Best time to catch them is mid-morning or mid-afternoon.
Yeah. Let's see. This machine I usually put
Isn't that cool?
a braid on. It's a lot better that way. It's nice.
Sharky.
See a big shark. Alright, you gonna pick it out? It's gonna
Dig around in there and see what you can find.
see if you can find one good one in there.
Oh, there's a lot of good ones in there.
Whoa. Which one you... That is... No, pick out a good shark tooth. Like, pick out a nice one. You gotta dig around. There's a lot of shark teeth, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at this one. That's a cool one. Or look at that one. No? I don't think that's like a shark tooth.
It's a fossil.
It's a fossil. Why don't you get a nice shark tooth? You know, just... Alright guys, so we're back. I was going to show you an up-close look at the Strata C3000 XG. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wait till I get out in the water, show it to you in action. That's a lot more fun than a boring old unboxing anyways. So, hey, I hope you guys enjoyed the adventure. Sorry it took a little bit to get to the purchase of the reel. But I think you'll be happy to see when we come back and we show you on the water. It's an awesome little reel, man. Very, very smooth. That's a little glimpse of what we got here. Till next time, I'll see you on the water.